In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on Instacart. This process is straightforward and ensures that your account remains secure and updated. Let's get started. First, open a browser and search for Instacart. You can use any browser that you prefer, be it Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. As you type Instacart into the search bar, you will see several links. These links may include the official site and other related pages. It is crucial to click on the official Instacart website to ensure that you are accessing the legitimate platform. This is important because it keeps your information safe from phishing attempts. Once you find the link that reads something like instacart.com, click on it to proceed. Next, click the correct link and log in. After you have accessed the Instacart website, you will see the login screen. Here, you need to enter your email and password associated with your account. If you have forgotten your password, there will be an option to reset it. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. Now you are one step closer to changing your phone number. This step is essential because it allows you to access your account settings. Once logged in, click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of Instacart.com. These three lines, often referred to as a hamburger menu, will open a navigation panel. It's usually located at the top left side of the page. By clicking on this menu icon, you will reveal various options to manage your account. This action is vital as it leads you to the settings you need to modify your contact details. From there, select Account Settings. After you click the menu icon, a list will appear. Look for the option labeled Account Settings and click on it. This section is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your personal information and preferences. By navigating to Account Settings, you ensure that you are in the right place to make changes to your phone number. Now, click on your account settings. In the account settings section, you will see several options. Look for the one that says your account settings and click on it. This will take you to a page dedicated to your account details. It is here that you can view and update your phone number and other important information. This is a critical step because it helps you keep your contact information current and ensures you receive important notifications. Next up, click Change next to your phone number. Look for the area where your current phone number is displayed. You will see a button or link that says Change next to it. Click this link to proceed. This action will allow you to enter your new phone number, which is important for maintaining account security and for communication purposes. After clicking Change, you will be prompted to type your new information. After that, click Change Number. Once you have entered your new phone number, look for the button that says Change Number. Click on it to finalize the update. This step is essential because it saves your changes and updates your account with the new phone number. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your changes have been successful. With that complete, you have successfully changed your phone number on Instacart. It's always good practice to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive timely notifications about your orders. Thank you for following along and happy shopping on Instacart.